Hi everyone, this is 𝐸𝐻𝑟𝑖𝑡𝑖𝑘A from EnglishWise Brisbane, and today I have our successful student Julian with us. Julian is from Colombia and he is working full-time. His required score was minimum 65 in each module. He got his score today, ended up with 79 and above in 3 modules. So congratulations to you first of all.
Yeah, thank you.
To begin with, how was your overall journey having full-time job and then managing PTE at the same time?
So at the beginning it was pretty difficult because I was thinking like for me managing that time during full-time work, even up to 60 hours a week of work time, then I was struggling, to be honest, at the beginning. However, I found this institute in 𝐸𝐴 in Brisbane, and 𝐸𝐻𝑟𝑖𝑡𝑖𝑘A was my trainer, and then she gave me a structure of like a study plan that I used. I followed that. To be honest, I was skeptical at the beginning because I finished my university studies and then I did my IELTS and then I couldn't get my desired score. Then I gave it a try to do my PTE. I did the test on Saturday night. I got my results today on Monday, and then I was pretty surprised at the results.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
That was amazing. One thing is that we noticed while you were preparing internally, giving tests over here, was the mic placement, which was a big factor. You all know it's important for your speaking part and for your transcribal scores. We recognized you were putting a hand on it as well while you were speaking. Sometimes we are conscious when we have people around us. So with that taken care of, do you think it made any sort of difference in your marking when you gave this test?
Yeah, I believe so, especially because for some reason when I used to use my computer, I normally tend to put my microphone in different places just because that's commonly used. However, they instruct me some procedures that some tips that I could use, and then I believe that definitely improved the score.
That's wonderful. No worries. So guys, for everyone, all the students here who are working full-time, and just like Julian, you all can also make it happen. You just need to make sure that you're working through your options. We do have weekend classes, you know, that we're open on Saturdays, and if you're working full-time on the weekdays, we are open till 8 o'clock. So please make sure that you talk to the trainer and just make a plan accordingly. Thank you so much for joining us. I wish you all the best for your future. And guys, if you need any assistance in the future, you know where to find us. We'll be in Fortnightly. Thank you.
Gracias.